Hey guys, welcome back to Creating Home. I'm so glad you're with me again today. My name's Melissa, and today I'm planning some projects out in the yard. It is a beautiful Saturday here in Georgia, and the sun's shining, and I just want to enjoy myself and just getting things kind of cleaned up for spring, and then we'll see what else we happen upon during the process. So let's get started. So last year what we did was we started tilling up with the tractor this area. The soil was very compacted and really very poor after all of this area over here was all graded to put this barn in. So the soil was it was compacted, it was very hard. And so we kind of went over it with the tiller several times. And then we brought in some compost and just kind of raked it all up into these little rows. And some things did really well and some things did okay. And I tried out some new things, and I think I really enjoyed all of the flowers more than anything. We had good luck with sunflowers. We had really good luck with watermelons. We did zinnias, and those worked well in some parts of the bed. I knew that if I wanted to have any kind of garden to last, we needed to put like a deer fence up. So this isn't the prettiest thing, and maybe eventually we could change it to something a little more attractive, but this is a garden after all. And this was kind of the most affordable way to kind of get a covering around such a big area. So we have these really tall T-posts. They're probably 10 feet or so. And then we put this tall deer netting up. So it's kind of like a plastic type netting, and then we just zip tied it. And that it really worked pretty well. We needed a gate, of course, to get in and out. We did like a 6 foot tall, chain link fence gate here. So I'm going to show you some clips and photos of what the garden looked like when it was kind of in full production last year. So let's get started on cleaning up some weeds and some old dead plants. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through and get some of these big things, the big items cleaned up. The dead standing corn back here, and the old watermelon stuff, and the dead sunflower stalks, and then come back later to do more of the weeds. You ever seen the bottom of a corn stalk? I had never grown this before last year. The roots are so shallow. It kind of looks like a broom right here. And when big winds come, it'll lay the corn over. That's why I staked them up. And I didn't have very good luck with the corn last year, but I'd never done it before. That was productive. We got a nice big wagon full of old things. We'll take that to the burn pile and keep working outside. But it feels good to kind of, at least the big things are cleaned up. A little weeding over there, and then on this side we got all of the weird trellising stuff that I had put here, all the tall corn stalks over here, and all the dead corn and sunflowers over here. So very productive. I'll keep you posted on creating our summer 2025 garden. Shiloh, say hi. The next part of our project is going to be at the mailbox. So let's go get a flat shovel and a tamper so we can fix this. All right, I think this shovel will work the best for our needs. We got our tamper here. Okay. Here's our project. We've just had an issue with our sod right here being run over. So I had to put up these stakes to kind of prevent it from happening anymore, but now I need to fix the damage that was done. And since our grass is starting to come back to life, it's time to get this project done. Wow, this is gonna be hard. Oh my goodness. I wonder if it'll just peel up. Oh. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Try to be careful. This is what we have here in Georgia. Maybe I can tamp it from here. Well, the good news is it's still alive. I think that looks way better. I'm happy with that. So we've just kind of this area right in here, and then it touches our neighbors right there. But if I don't put a guardrail up, it's just gonna happen again. We're gonna collect some rocks from our culvert area and make a little border right there by the grass. Ugh. Let's go is enough. This has to look better than the steaks that I had. Hey, baby. All right, mission accomplished. The sod is repaired. And we've got a little border rock situation here, which looks good with the mailbox, so I'm okay with it. So hopefully that'll provide some protection right here. And now I'd like to leave you with some footage of me planting some Yoshino cherry trees at the entrance of our home. As you can see our house there in the background, these Yoshino cherry trees I think they'll provide a lot of interest in the spring and some structure just to kind of the sides of the entrance of our drive. These trees are fast growing. They flower so beautifully in the spring. In the early spring, they're often one of the first things to be showing life and the promise of spring. And their structure is so pretty. And we're just looking forward to having these flanking the entrance and kind of framing our home. Thank you for joining me today as we've cleaned up the garden, preparing it for spring. I hope you enjoyed seeing some footage of 2024's garden and helping to create some solutions by the mailbox for our sod and planting some new beautiful trees to enjoy for years to come. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.